Hi guys, I'm gonna show y'all how to make a paper airplane.
And it's not those easy original ones. It's gonna be, which one are we gonna do?
What about the spike?
Yours?
Front spike?
Yeah, okay. So we call it the spike. So first you fold a triangle like that.
Well, first you fold this corner until it has the side meets with the side. Then you fold this corner up to here. Then you fold the middle piece right here. I like to fold it a little bit more because never mind. Don't do that. Don't do what I just said. Now fold it back like that.
And that's how you make the spike.
That's how you make the spike. Now then you fold it sideways. If y'all need a pause,
you guys can.
Yeah. Do this. Sometimes
and then crease it.
Hard. Then crease it. Then I got that spike up there. Well, it doesn't look like one right now, but it kind of is. Then you put your finger right on this line, like that. Then fold this back to your finger. Then go to the other side and do the same exact thing.
You just flip it.
Then you go to the tail. You rip the tail.
And there you have it.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Then you fold those wings like that.
Well, you don't really have to do that, but you can.
It's better if you do it.
Yeah.
Then, here you go.
There it is. Now, show them out those.
It'll go any other way, too.
Here, let me go back. I'm going to go back so you can get the full shot. Okay.
There we go.
There is how you make a spike. So that's how you make the little spike right there.
Yep. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and leave a like to my channel. And I'll see you again, guys.
Bye.